National news. India might see serious livelihood crisis. Economist Jean Trezy. Noted economist Jean Trezy said that India might be heading towards a serious livelihood crisis as the situation for the present working class seems to be worse amid COVID-19. Compared with the last year, many people have depleted savings and larger debts.
Google Pay users in India can now receive money from the app users in US. Google Pay users in India and Singapore can now receive money from US app users as Google Pay's feature have been expanded to include remittance service. Courtesy tie-up with Wise and Western Union, beneficiaries in India and Singapore will receive the full amount while all the charges will be payable by the sender. The global remittance market is worth of $470 billion.
US Congresswoman urges Biden to send more COVID support to India. US Congresswoman Haley Stevens has urged President Joe Biden to send more direct support to India, which is battling the second wave of COVID-19. Stevens asked the White House to increase the shipments of oxygen cylinders, remdesivir, and ventilators to India. As long as COVID persists in India, there is potential for additional variants that could pose threat to the vaccinated America, she added. COVID-19 variant first detected in India has spread to 44 countries, said WHO. The World Health Organization has said that the COVID-19 variant first found in India in October last year has now spread to 44 countries. The WHO added that outside of India, the UK has reported the large number of COVID-19 cases caused by that variant. Earlier this week, the WHO has declared the variant as variant of concern. A serious fungal infection, commonly referred as black fungus, is been found in some of the COVID-19 patients in few states. It affects lungs and brain. A couple of days ago, the fungus cases was detected in Delhi, Maharashtra and Gujarat, and now a few cases have been found in the Continental Hospitals, Hyderabad. TS News. Passport services, land registrations suspended. From 12th to 21st of this month, all services across the state, including passport service centers, post office passport service centers and the regional passport office centers in Secunderabad will be completely suspended. Mask up, wash your hands and sanitize them regularly. If outdoors, maintain social distancing. If possible, stay at home. Together, we can make this happen.